Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about adductor canal, the contents, okay. So adductor canal, a brief introduction I would like to give here, that is also called as subsartorial canal or the hunter's canal, okay. Let's see briefly the contents and then we'll get into the details. Now here we are finding the femur, the vastus medialis and the nerve supplying it. This is adductor longus, the femoral vessels, okay. We have the saphenous nerve, the strong fibrous band, the sartorius and the nervous plexus surrounding it, okay. Now we'll see the femoral nerve, artery and the vein. The band structures of the femur we will see. First, femoral nerve. It arises from L2 to L4 as you are seeing here. Then it starts giving out branches. First it supplies iliacus, then enters the inguinal ligament supplying the pectineus, and then it supplies the quadriceps, sartorius, the articularis genu, and there is a branch that goes to the knee joint. And here the medial cutaneous nerve and the intermediate nerve of the thigh. And also from here we have the saphenous nerve. Okay. Then let us see with the artery. So it arises from the external iliac artery, giving out branches, deep circumflex and the inferior epigastric artery. Then pierces the inguinal ligament to give a branch, superficial epigastric. So basically we have the circumflex iliac and the external iliac with the epigastric arteries. Then we have the pudendal arteries, superficial and deep external. Then the circumflex femoral arteries from the profunda femoris artery. Then we are finding some perforating and the muscular arteries. Then it's continuing downwards as the popliteal artery and the descending genicular artery. So femoral vein follows the artery itself, but the tributaries are important here. Just remember only few here from this list. Great saphenous, profunda femoris, medial and lateral circumflex femoral and the muscular branches. These are the tributaries, okay. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.